Hey, good morning YouTube. Just want to make a quick video. Haven't made any videos in a while. Just been pretty busy with family and whatnot. I've got some repairs today on a maintenance I did maybe about a month ago. It's pretty cold today. It's Friday. No, I'm sorry. It's it's Monday, March the 4th, and we've got some record temperatures today. Right now it's about 39 degrees, which to me it feels colder than that, but you know, whatever. That's what it says on the thermometer. So I just replaced an entering water sensor on that York chiller over there. It was just reading a little bit off. Now I've got a crankcase heater for this Munster's unit I'm going to go ahead and put on. These are pretty easy to check. Usually when I do my maintenances and the compressor's not running, I'll check the amp draw on the normally closed contacts to see if I'm pulling anything at all, you know, like a 0.3, 0.5, somewhere around there. And if I don't, usually I'll go to the compressor and I'll take my thermometer, and if it's working, you ought to see that climb very quickly. But you can tell it's just not running. Otherwise it'd be about 100 degrees or so. I don't know what the average is, but let's just say if you touch it, it's gonna hurt, it's gonna burn you. And I know that this one's shorted. On my last maintenance, found it was shorted, so I've got the new one there. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Okay guys, so before we tear into that, safety first, you always want to check, see if you got any power going to it, as well as the compressor, which I've got these motor starts, or actually, I'm sorry, not motor starts, the overloads. One for the compressor, and you've got two for an exhaust fan and a return fan. I've got the compressor already shut off. Let's just go ahead and check it anyways, just to be safe. Let's go ahead and set that to volts. And we'll read across the top. 0. Okay. You want to check across all the legs? 0. And finally, from A to C. Nothing. Alright. And then we'll check each individual one on the ground. crankcase heater that's the wrong size, so we'll I'll take this back off. Alright guys, so I found the exact same crankcase heater at a local supply house, not too far away from here. Usually they have what I'm looking for as far as oddball stuff goes, and they came through again. So what you need to know is the voltage, the watts, how many watts, if it's a 75, 120, this one's a 90, and then also the diameter of the compressor. That way they could match it up for you. But yeah, all right, so let's get back to it. Alright, so this is the finished product right here, the install. Got the ground connected. I've got some new male slip-on connectors to female spades. Got that secured, zip tied. Definitely working, it's heating up. So let's go ahead and just check an amp draw and see what we're pulling. It should be very, very small, probably not even anywhere near an amp. Probably, if I had to guess, 0.3, 0.5 amps. Yeah, 0.2. And they don't draw a whole lot, so. Circuit breaker right there for the heater. And compressor. Alright guys, so over and done with this one. I've replaced more of those and I can count, and they do go out, so just keep in mind when you're doing your PMs, make sure you check those crankcase heaters. Number one, by checking amp draw or temperature. It's more scientific, you know, just doing the amp draw instead of putting a thermometer on the crankcase heater. But if it's hot, it means it's working. So real easy. Try to do another video inside this building. I've got some fan shaft bearings that I got to replace. I don't know how difficult it's going to be. It's above the ceiling, so I'll keep you posted on that one. Thanks for watching.